Hello and welcome to our 8th session in our series of home learning lessons for maths, and today we're going to be thinking about subtraction and addition. For this session you're going to need the 100 square inside your green learning book, some counting objects, I'm going to be using pasta again, some paper, your learning book or a whiteboard to write on, and something to write with like a pencil pen or whiteboard pen. Let's warm our brains up for maths with some counting. Just like yesterday, I'm going to hide the numbers to make it a little bit more difficult, but we'll still be counting from the green box and stopping when we reach the red box. What number do you think should come in the green box? And what number should be in the red box? Well done if you thought 4 should be in the green box and 15 should be in the red box. Now let's see if you can count from 4 to 15 without me showing you any of the other numbers. Off you go. Fantastic counting. Let's check by counting together. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Well done if you counted from 4 and stopped when you reached 15. Let's try another one. What number should come in the green box and what number should come in the red box? Well done if you thought that 9 would be in the green box, and you might have worked this out by thinking that it is 1 less than 10 and you know that 10 would be the n number in that row. And in the red box there's 22, 2 10s and 2 1s. Can you count forward from 9 and stop when you reach 22? Off you go. Brilliant counting. Let's have a go at this together. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Well done if you counted with me from 9 and stopped when we reached 22. Now let's do some counting backwards. We're going to start with the number in the green box and end with the number in the red box. What do you think those numbers are going to be? Well done if you thought we'd be ending on the number 5 and starting on the number 14. Can you count from 14 and count backwards until you reach 5? Off you go. Let's check that together. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Well done if you were able to count backwards with me. Let's try one more. Think about what number could be in the red box and what number could be in the green box. Well done if you were able to identify that 16 was going to be in the red box and 23 was going to be in the green box. Now can you count backwards from 23 and stop when you reach 16? Off you go. And now we're going to do this one together. 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16. Brilliant counting this morning, everybody. So today we're going to be thinking about subtraction and addition. We've been thinking about these for the last couple of weeks, and so we're going to combine them today for our last session. First of all though, does anyone remember what the subtraction symbol looks like? You could use your hands to make it in the air, you could use your finger to write it on the back of your hand, or you could use your pen to write it on your whiteboard or in your learning book. Well done if you said it was a straight line like this one. How about the addition symbol that we thought about last week? Again, you could write it in the air, write it on your paper or write it on your whiteboard. Well done if you knew it looked like this. And finally, what does the equals symbol look like? Again, write it in the air, on your whiteboard or in your book. Well done if you knew it was 2 straight parallel lines. Today we're going to be helping Emu out again. Emu has some ideas and he's written some number sentences, but he'd like us to use our counting resources, so our pasta or our objects, to prove whether he's correct or incorrect. What is Emu saying in this speech bubble? Can you read it with me? 9 subtract 6 equals 5. Is Emu correct or incorrect? Use those counting objects to prove whether he is or he isn't. You might want to pause this video, and when you're ready to check it with me, press play. Okay, let's check to see if Emu is correct or incorrect. First thing I'm going to do is get 9 pieces of pasta. So can you help me count them out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 pieces of pasta because I'm taking 9 and subtracting 6. Now I'm going to take away 6 pieces of pasta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go, I've taken away 6 pieces of pasta, and now I should be able to find my answer. What am I going to do to find it? That's right, I need to count how many pieces of pasta I have left. 1, 2, 3. I stopped counting when I reached 3, and there were no more pieces of pasta that I hadn't counted. Using my cardinal principle, I know that this must be my answer. So 9 take away 6 equals 3. Emu, I'm afraid you didn't get it right that time. 9 subtract 6 equals 3. Let's have a look at another one to see how Emu does. What is Emu saying this time? Let's read it together. 8 add 3 equals 11. Emu thinks that 8 add 3 equals 11. Can you use your counting objects or pasta to see if he's correct? Some of you might be able to work this out in your head, but in maths I'm looking for proof, so I'd like you to show me using your objects whether Emu is correct or incorrect. You might want to pause the video now and have a go at this. Okay, well done, and hopefully you're ready to have a look at this together. The first thing I'm going to do is get 8 pieces of pasta because I'm doing 8 add 3. Can you help me count them out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 pieces of pasta. How many do I need to add to this? Well done if you said 3. 1, 2, 3. Had 8 pieces of pasta at first and then I added 3 more. How do I know what my answer is? Hopefully you're all shouting out, count them! I need to count them all. Let's do that together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I haven't got any more pieces of pasta left to count. We're thinking adults about that one-to-one correspondence, so encouraging your child to touch or move their object each time when they're counting. And so that must be my answer. 8 add 3 equals 11. Emu, you were correct that time, well done. Can we help Emu out by checking this? What does he say? He thinks that 10 subtract 4 equals 6. Again, you might be able to work this out in your head, but I want to see the proof. Pause the video now and try to prove with your concrete resources that Emu is correct or that he is incorrect. Great, we should be ready to look at this together. How many pieces of pasta am I going to get at first? That's right, I need 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 pieces of pasta, and how many am I going to take away? Well done if you told me 4. Let's take away 4 pieces of pasta. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've taken away 4 pieces of pasta. What do I need to do now? That's right, I need to count all of the pieces of pasta I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 was the last number I counted to. Thinking about our cardinal principle, that must be my answer. 10 take away 4 equals 6. Well done, Emu, you got that one correct. What is Emu thinking this time? Let's read it together. Emu thinks that 7 add 5 equals 13. I wonder whether he's correct or incorrect. Can you pause this video and use your concrete resources to prove? Okay, let's see if we're ready to check this together. What am I going to do first? That's right, I need to get 7 pieces of pasta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now what do I need to do? Oh yeah, I need to add 5, so I need to get 5 more pieces of pasta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I got 7 pieces of pasta and 5 pieces of pasta. But how do I know how many I have altogether? Oh yeah, I need to count them all. Can you help me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I've counted all my pieces of pasta and I've reached the number 12, so that must be my answer. And so 7 add 5 equals 12. Oh, unfortunately you weren't correct that time, Emu. 7 add 5 equals 12. Well done if you were able to check and that you found that Emu was incorrect. Can you check some more number sentences for Emu? Let's have a look at the ideas that he has at the moment. 10 subtract 7 equals 3. 6 add 5 equals 11. 11 plus 4 equals 14. 12 take away 7 equals 5. Can you use your concrete resources, so your pasta or counting objects, to check those for Emu? If you're looking for a challenge, you could also try writing your own number sentences for Counting Crow to check. Adults, Counting Crow is our maths puppet and he's really good with numbers. If you want to think of some number sentences to challenge him, then you can send them to me and I'll pass them on to Counting Crow and make a video with him to check some of your answers. Pause this video now and have a go at using concrete resources to check these number sentences, and then when you're ready, press play and we can see how we feel about our learning today. So how do you feel about your learning? Show me a thumbs up if you're feeling confident with addition and subtraction, remembering adults that we're not expecting children to record their number sentences independently, but it's great if they're able to recognise those mathematical symbols at this stage. A thumb in the middle if you're finding it a little bit tricky but you know what you need to do to improve. And finally, show me a thumbs down if you're finding it difficult at the moment and you need some more support from your adults. Adults, please do keep letting us know how your child is doing. This really helps us when we're planning our next sessions. Take care. Bye bye.